Plastic equal to bad? Not always. We blame plastics for pollution, but the truth is, it's not the plastic, it's how we used it. Plastic saves lives in hospitals. It protects food from waste. It's light, cheap, and durable. It's not the enemy, it's tool. When we reuse and recycle plastic, it gets a second life, such as clothes, furniture, and even roads. That's called life cycle sustainability, which is making sure plastic lives longer and pollutes less. Sort it, reuse it, respect it, because plastic only becomes waste when we waste it.
But also how to okay. Do you know what we buy? Use is means, which is you use something again, but with the same purpose. Instead of you throw away, it throw in the basket bin. There are some example of use, which is one is using a same plastic bag for the shopping for the next time future. Second one is you using the same bottles, which is you use same bottles to drink in the next picture. And also next is you turn into the old fruits to the clean fruit. But you need to know that for the plastic bottle, there are some that you need to be aware, which is in the above picture, which is code 1, 2, 4 and 5 is a code that you can use, which is sometimes it will be not for the long-term use, but and also a good option for you to be used. And for the code 3 and 6, it's not recommended for you to be used. Maybe you need to be avoided. Maybe will be harmful to our health. And the last one, which is the code 7, which is you need to be avoided, but generally it says that you need to be aware rather than you use the plastic that have code 7.
Plastic is everywhere, polluting our street and harming our environment. But what if we give it second life instead of sending them to landfill?
Repurpose, changing the function of plastic waste creatively, which take used plastic items and turn them into something new with a different use. For example, plastic bottle turn into pencil holder and gardening pot.
Do you know what is recycle? Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products such as trash bags, toys, and shampoo bottles. We can throw the plastic bottle or whatever things that are made of plastic, but not all types of plastic can be recycled. For example, in this picture, we can see that plastic code 1, 2, 4, and 5 can be recycled, while for plastic code 3, 6, and 7 is not recommended for recycle and must be avoided because it may harm to health and environment. Recycling gives plastic a new life. So this picture shows how plastic product recycling process. It's being collected, sorted, cleaned, shredded, melted, and turned into something amazing. Have you ever think what polyester shirt that you're wearing is made of? It may have started as a plastic bottle. Interesting, right? So let's take a look of the video at how recycle works.
the one of the most dangerous when misused. This is an empty bottle, right? Just a rubbish. But what if I told you that it could be so much more?
It could be reinvented into a piggy bank, a pencil case, mini plant pot, or even part of a science project model.
These colorful cans, some schools reinvent them as art.
The bottle didn't change yet, but my mind thinking did. That's what reinvent means. Not just recycling it, but reimagining its future. When we reinvent plastic, we don't just save the planet. We learn to think differently, creatively, and responsibly. Reinvention starts in the mind. You don't need tools, you just need ideas.